Hello guys, this is my review for Piano for All. If you've been following me, you should already know that I was looking for a way to improve my piano skills without spending a ton of cash. This product turned out to be a worthy investment, not just because of its price, but also what you get in that price. It's extremely affordable compared to the $40 to $100 per hour you would normally pay for a piano teacher. This is a one-time fee for 10 piano books, 200 video tutorials, and 500 audio recordings, almost half a gigabyte of material. What you get is actually a computer-based multimedia course that integrates text lessons with visual and audible elements to create a better learning experience. It might deviate from traditional mediums such as books and manuals, but you can still use either a keyboard or a real piano like mine for learning. Special thing about Piano for All is that you get to play many different popular songs extremely quickly. The courses start with basic chords and rhythms and move on to more complex and sophisticated ones. I've learned genre-specific piano, memorization techniques, playing by ear, and a little sight reading, mostly due to copyrighted sheet music. Surprisingly, the last bonus book was about increasing your creativity in writing original music that sells. Made me realize that being original is not as hard as it might seem. An equally important feature is the ease of use and interactivity. As you browse through the book pages, you can click on the little icons embedded within the lesson, and the relevant video or audio file will begin playing. Moreover, you're able to enjoy 100% of its content regardless of your equipment. You can even find instructions on how to set up and get the most of a MIDI keyboard, for instance. In brief, the overall teaching methods are progressive and engaging, making the learning process more fun and enjoyable for such a low price.